In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MoneyGram Transfer Blocked for security. First, check your email or SMS for any message from MoneyGram requesting identity verification or additional documents and submit them immediately. Next, log into your MoneyGram account or use the reference number to track transfer status and make sure all sender and receiver details are accurate and match valid IDs exactly. Then, ensure your payment method was successfully processed because incomplete payments can trigger security blocks. After that, allow 24 to 48 hours for MoneyGram to review and clear the hold. Also avoid canceling or resending the transfer while it's blocked because this can delay resolution. And if the transfer remains blocked after 2 business days, contact MoneyGram customer support with your reference number so they can confirm the reason and help release the funds safely. So that's it.